Hey, welcome to this video. Today we're going to guide you through how to change password on Mac. So what you're going to do is hit the Apple icon at the top left here. Under the Apple icon, you're going to be able to see system preferences or system settings if you have more upgraded version of MacBook, right? Mine a little bit old. Hit system preferences or system settings. Inside, you're going to find users and groups. Again, if you have more upgraded version of MacBook, you're going to be able to see in the left-hand menu users or in groups. Just press it. Inside, you're going to be able to see your name here. Next to your name, you're going to be able to see change password or a little icon to show you your profile. And inside, you're going to be able to change password. So I'm going to hit change password. Enter your old password in the new password and verify, of course, that this is your new password. Right? This will not work if you don't add your old password to confirm that you are the one who's making the changes. Right? And the password hint here. And this is recommended if you can't remember your password, but you remember like a unique thing, right? So you can add cat, your favorite pet, favorite name, favorite number, and then just hit change password in case God forbid you forgot your password. So basically that's it. Consider liking this video and subscribing and turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. See you in the next time.